Apparently, Mamkhize has been an enabler of Andile Mpisane's horrible behavior towards women. She literally watches him lay hands on those women. She's the one that married him off to Tamia to get back at Stelo. Like, wow. I mean, we kind of made assumptions here and there, but when a family member is coming out, exposing, spilling this whole tea, it hits different, okay? Now let's get into this. Y'all remember right after Andile married Tamia, Sitelo came out claiming that Andile was physically abusive towards her, even in front of his mother, and she would just watch and not do anything. If what this family member is saying is anything to go by, it seems like he's putting Tamia, his wife, through the very same thing. And apparently the new baby he's said to have made outside of his marriage, that is true. And now he's doing to Tamia exactly what he did to Stelo. Meanwhile, Mamkhize is said to have moved to Eswatini following her tax issues with SARS. Like, it's a lot. A family member is spilling everything there by TikTok. They told Stay that Andile lays hands on Tamia on a regular basis. Also said something about Tamia's child, Mimi, and Tamia can't even leave as she can't afford to, and she's too entangled with all that stuff with Mamkhize's case. Worse things have happened apparently according to this family member, but she stayed. Mamkhize indeed moved to Swaziland. Sbahle left, hence why she's now doing interviews saying how she was never family. And this latest news of Andile having a child on Tamia, they're saying even though it hasn't been mentioned yet at home in their presence, but it's not the first outside child allegations. Andile makes girls pregnant and ignores them. Even Tamia was ignored when she was initially pregnant. It's just that the mom intervened and chose Tamia over Sitelo. Tamia was already pregnant when they got married, and they went on to say, so what actually happened was this. Do you remember that time Andile was starting his career and his mother posted a poster of him performing at a nightclub called Japan or something like that? On the poster, it was him, Sitelo, and other artists. But apparently Sitelo had no clue of this, and she was like, me and my team know nothing about this. Embarrassing Mamkhize's post. Then boom, since Mamkhize knew Andile made some girl pregnant, she met up with her and the mother and told her she will be Andile's wife. And obviously the family agreed because they didn't need the shame of their daughter being a single mom. But Andile had been ignoring her when she told him she was pregnant. So the mom Pretty and Mamkhize planned everything. Andile had no idea. Then boom, Mamkhize's tagline was Andile getting married today, with or without. They didn't tell Sbahle because she was best friend with Sitelo. Lo mama is a bully big time. Andile lays hands on Tamia in front of her and she says absolutely nothing. Even with her own mother Pretty there. They love money, hence why I said I don't think she will leave unless she gets a bigger bag who will take her in with her kids. So basically, Mamkhize didn't like Sitelo so much that she married her son to Tamia to get back at Sitelo. This also explains why Sbahle was in gym gear during that day. It also explains that oversized suit that Andile was wearing. And those who seem to know Sbahle and Sitelo all too well are saying, yes, they were always together during UKZN days. They were besties. And honestly, looking at these pictures, I'm just like, you can just tell Andile didn't know he was getting married. Now he's a married man who's busy out here making babies with any girl that is willing to open their legs, according to this relative. Anyway, let's continue this in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.